How to download and install Grindr on Android. Ready to get Grindr app and running on your Android device. It's super straightforward and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, you need to head over to Google Play Store. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Just tap on it. Once you're inside the Play Store, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this source icon, which is in bottom right corner over here. Then tap on the search bar and search for Grindr over here. Just tap on it and go inside it. Now you can see the Grindr app on my device. Simply tap on the install, which is right over here. Just tap on it and it will start installing the app for you. Let's go inside and see the progress. And once it's done, you will see an option called Open, which is right over here. Now you can tap on Open to launch your Grindr for the first time, or if you are planning to use it later, you will be easily finding it on your app drawer. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Grindr on your Android phone. Easy peasy, right? I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.